أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today our lesson from the meme, top of the meme double fatah and the meme double fatah man, next above bottom meme double kasra mean, again on top of the meme double dhamma, meme double dhamma moon man mean moon, one time reverse moon mean man. It's a practice. You already, alhamdulillah, I know you understand this, but practice and exercise is required now. So please, let's start please from the meme to ba, from the ba after meme. Please, from the meme start, no issue.
ميم double فتح من أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ميم double فتح من ميم double من ميم double ضمة من با double فتح
من min. Okay, this style is also good. Okay, next start ba.
What about meme double فتح double ضمة?
Meme double fatah man, meme double kasra min, meme double dhamma mun. Okay, ba start now. From the ba.
It's double no from the meme double ضمة. How do you say it?
First is double fatah on the first meme. Second dhamma, second meme above double kasra on bottom. And
yes, and then meme dhamma. But how do you pronounce the double dhamma with the meme?
Double dhamma moon. Moon.
Okay.
10 times repeat it. Meme double dhamma. Moon.
Moon.
Meme double dhamma moon in this style.
Double dhamma moon. Meme 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 double dhamma moon.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Next please.
Ba double dhamma ba. Ban.
Ba double fatah ban.
Ba double fatah ban. Ba double kasra bin. Ba double dhamma bun. Wa double fatah alif.
One. Oh, one. No, miss the alif. Miss alif. Alif is only in text. Okay, on the page. But in reading, in pronouncing is not, you will read it. Wa double fatah one.
Oh. So why is it there?
Wa double fatah one.
Why is the alif there?
Yeah, okay. But in only in text on page. In reading, no.
Why is it text?
Why is wa double fatah one only?
Yeah, but why is the alif in the text? Okay.
In next page, I will explain for you. Explanation of this rules will come after a few pages. If I teach you now, if I explain for you now about this, then wasting the time, then time is wasting only just because
Okay.
this explanation about these rules is 10 class lesson, and you are now in one class.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, double dhamma, double fatha. One.
Hmm.
Wow, double kasra. Win. Wow, double dhamma. Win. Fa double fatha. Fun. Fa double kasra. Fin. Fa double dhamma. Fun. Fa double dhamma. Fun. Fa double kasra. Fin. Fa double dhamma. Fun. Za ya double fatha. Thin.
No, 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 no.
Sun.
Thun,
Sun.
soft. Tip of your tongue, upper middle to teeth. Tha, without any whistle. Thun.
Gentle. Okay, so
Mm.
sun. Sun. Sun.
Tha double.
Sun. Double. Za. Ya. Double fatha. Zan.
Before,
Za.
no, don't touch the zal. Before zal, with three dots letter. Tha. You can read 3 times that. After that, touch to next letter.
You want me to read what exactly?
It's
Zal.
zal.
Zal. Ya. Double fatha.
No. Missed it. Before 3 letters, read please.
Sa double fatha. Sun. Sa double kasra. Sin. Sa double dhamma. Sun.
Nice, excellent, mashallah. Okay, touch to zal. Zal also, ja, in text on the page. In reading, no, don't read. Okay, zal double fatha zan only.
Zal double fatha. Zan. Zal double fatha. Zal. Zal double fatha. Zan. Zal double fatha. Zan.
Double fatha zan. Nice.
Zal double fatha. Zan. 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 Zal double fatha. Zan.
Next.
Do I go to the next one? Do I go to the next one?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Zal double. Yeah.
Okay.
Zal double kasra. Zan. Zin.
Zin.
Zal زال double كسرة زن 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 زال double كسرة زن
Okay, next.
زال double زال double كسرة زن
Mhm.
زال double دمة زن 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 زال double دمة زن
Mhm. Zal double dhamma zun.
زال double دمة زن زال double دمة زن زال double
Slowly read, please, in slow speed.
زال double
Zal
double
double dhamma zun.
زال double دمة زن
Are you late from office?
Mm-mm.
Why are you speed in you are reading in speed, very high speed? Very slowly
Sorry.
read. You are a beginner. Any beginner for example, you are a beginner of driving in this car. Beginner driver, for beginner driver is not allowed the speed. When speed, then accident, then road accident. Also in this lesson, you are a beginner. Speed is not allowed. If you want best good result, then slowly read, please. MashaAllah. You are reading good, MashaAllah. But slowly read. Continue, please.
زال double دمة زن
Zal
زال double دمة
double dhamma, double dhamma, double dhamma.
زال double دمة 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 زال
It's
double دمة
it's a single dhamma and double dhamma. Single dhamma and double dhamma. Which? What is this? Single and
زال
double?
double دمة
Double dhamma. Zal double dhamma zun.
زال double دمة زن
Nice. MashaAllah. I appreciate you. Okay, next one, please.
زال double دمة زن
Next one.
زال double دمة زن زال double دمة زن
Okay. Zal double dhamma zun. Inshallah, from this we will continue tomorrow in tomorrow class. Okay. I think you are tired now also.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Yeah, okay, no issue, no issue. Take relief. Barakallah feek. Allah yashfik. And Allah give you health. Allah bless you. And inshallah, we will continue tomorrow, inshallah. If you